Hello and welcome back to LearnWire. In today's video, I have an exclusive review, an exclusive offer for you. We're going to be looking at a YouTube growth tool that will help you to optimize your YouTube videos. So this is definitely going to be for YouTube marketers out there. And I know a lot of you are also doing YouTube. We do a lot of SEO and website building on this channel, but we also know that YouTube is a great way to gain an audience and get traffic to your website or to your offers. So if you're a website owner, this is going to appeal to you because you should be doing YouTube. You can even outsource the video creation to somebody, so you don't even have to do any of the work to create your YouTube videos. And then also, if you're an affiliate marketer, you know the importance of ranking your videos, your review videos, to get more eyeballs on them during the launch so you can make more sales. What this tool will do, it will help you optimize. So think of TubeBuddy and vidIQ, but we're going to look at both those. And in some respects, this is those tools on steroids, because Daniel, the creator of the software, got tired of using 9 tools that he had to open up 9 tabs every time he wanted to rank a video, and he built all the tools that he wanted into one tool. So we're going to go look at that. So it's actually a Chrome extension, so it's really easy to install, and we'll go over pricing and all that. It's Tubegrowth, and there's currently 122 monthly paying members. Maybe a few of those are going to be lifetime members that bought the lifetime deal, but many of them, or most of them, I imagine, are going to be monthly paying members. And it's got 9 5-star reviews. So you can come through here, a little bit about the tool, and then you would just push a button right here, install it. And we have it up here. We're going to go and do a full in-depth review of this, but let's go back to this offer. Okay, so this is a LearnWire exclusive. He actually did, when he very first launched this on his channel, right, he offered it at a lifetime discount. I mean, a lifetime deal, right? And we like lifetime deals, definitely, right? Most of the tools that I do review on LearnWire are lifetime deals because we don't really like to have monthly subscriptions, right? And so when he launched it, this was back, I think, in like December. So it's been a few months now. He has not offered this at a lifetime deal since then, but me and him connected, and I had asked him that my audience would really, really love a lifetime deal. Would you be willing to open up a lifetime deal for me and my audience for a short period? And he said yes. So that's where we're at today. If you're watching this from April 18th, we'll look down here. Okay, you can see it's April 18th, 2022. It's going to go till Thursday. So April 18th, 19th, 20, and 21. By the end of April 21st, right? Like, let's just say midnight. This is how long you have in order to get this one-time exclusive lifetime deal he's offering. Otherwise, this tool is like $47 per month. Okay. So I just wanted to let you know that this is a very exclusive. He opened up the lifetime deal for you guys. You can go and jump in on this if you are into YouTube. Okay, so let's go check out the tool. At any point, if you click the first link below, just click the link. And if you're watching this after the 18th, then you're going to be sent to a page like this that has the pricing. Let's come down here. And this is what the pricing is going to be. You can pay $477 per year, or you can pay $47.77 per month. So it is a monthly tool. Here's all the reviews. But yes, so it's a $47 a month tool, or almost $500 per year tool. We want to go and look at all the 9 different tools and what we can do with the tool, okay? But just for this 4-day period, if you're lucky enough to be watching this April 18th through the April 21st, then you have the ability to basically buy this for a year, for the year rate, and have it forever. Okay. So I will scroll down here real quick, look at the pricing, and there's a couple links on here that I need to actually, if you click on it, it needs to get fixed. So you are going to have to, if you click the first link below during the lifetime launch or promo, you're going to need to scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you're going to see this right here. It's $599 one time. So $599 one-time offer. You'll never pay again, and you'll have access to the software. So let's go jump in and look at what this actually looks like. Okay, so I'm in one of my videos, Brainwork tutorial, and if we actually go and look over here, I didn't really have a whole lot going on with this one right here, Brainwork tutorial. There's just almost not really a big description. I do have my disclaimer here, and I have a couple links in here, right? Like an affiliate link and so forth. Just a couple other links, but nothing really going on SEO wise on my video. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to come back over into here and we're going to launch the tool. So you would just come up here to the toolbar and click on the tool. So then now what you're going to do is you can actually back up your data if you wanted to. And look, you can see right here, you have 5,000 characters that you can put in a description right here. And so this is your little toolbar right here. I'm going to zoom in real quick so we can actually look at this like kind of on a full screen basis. So here's where we're going to start. I'm just going to take you through the tool. So your video series, and I have some of this already copied onto a notepad because I want to save time, obviously, in the video. So what the video series is going to do, and I know that I would do this on my videos, but it just takes so much time. And when you have a tool that you really like, and Brainwork is a great example on LearnWire, where if I really like a tool, and I purchased the tool, and you know, I feel like it's a really good tool that I want to promote more than one time and just show you guys, then I will create multiple videos on that subject, right, on that tool. And so I've probably created 5 or 6 Brainwork videos, and that's actually a series that on each Brainwork video that I come out with, I should actually be cross-promoting my videos. For those of you that just got introduced to Brainwork, right, it's been out for a few months now, you would be able to go and be like, oh, wow, he's got other content. I can click on that stuff, right? So that's what a video series is. And this tool will allow you to come in here. And for example, I'll go and I'll copy this. We're going to create a new series, right? So create new series. And the series is going to be, I'm just going to call it Brainwork. And then I'm going to put a title right there that I want. And then I have the video that I want to send them to right here. And then I'm just going to push the plus button. And here we go. I'm going to go and grab each one of these and throw it in, and then grab the video and put it in right here. I'm going to push plus again and so forth. You're going to see that I'm going to just create this right in front of you. And this is going to save you a ton of time. So one of the big standouts about this tool is that this is a productivity tool. This is a productivity tool that if you set everything up correctly, or spend the time to set it up, like right now, this is taking some time, but the next time I do a Brainwork tutorial video, I will have all of this cross promotion set up for me and ready to go. Okay, so then once you've set your video series up, for whatever reason, I've got a duplicate here. I just need to get rid of one of them, but I selected Brainwork here. So then you'd come through here and you would just copy to description. Boom, done. Okay. And actually you would list title Brainwork series. So I actually just come over here and title it Brainwork series. Right? So then now you have all of your different videos ready to be in your description. And we can push return and come back over here. So now here's your key moments. So you can actually do time stamping. Okay. So I have a couple in here that I'm just going to go ahead and put. So then you can click on the key moments section right here. And I'm going to go from just right here. It's actually the very first part. And I'll put that in right there. And then the title of this will just be, you can say timestamps, or you can call it a index or video chapters or whatever you want to put in there, right? And then we'll just put in another one over here. And this is going to be for 1 minute and 27 seconds. So we're going to go with like so, push OK. So we're at 1 minute, 27 seconds. This is when this happens. And then we're just going to do one more for sake of speed for the video, 2:53. So we're going to do one more. This is going to be 2 minutes and 53 seconds. Done. Okay. Put in that, and there we go. So now we put our cursor over here, and then we just push copy to description over there. Done. Then here is where this is really going to separate this tool from any other tool that I've ever seen. We're going to be able to actually click on the AI description. I don't know what tool he's using. He's obviously got AI into one of the AI generation tools. Maybe it's open source, GPT-3 or GPT-J or something like that, or he has direct access into it. Not really sure. But all I know is that we're going to be able to come up here and add a tag. So if I go brain work right here, and then we just push search. Okay, so we added some keywords. Also, this is really good to know. Once you click off, okay, and you're doing something else here on your YouTube page, and you click on it again, you don't lose any of your work. It's still all right there, what you're working on. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and push return over here. And we're going to go over to the AI description, and we're just going to say brain work. I'm going to push enter, okay? You must push enter right there. Brain work review, and then AI content software, enter. So you can enter as many as you want, and then you just push the search button. And it's going to go out there and write some content for us to help us fill out our description and make it relevant to our video. Okay, so then now look at all this content that it's come up with for us. We can come through here and you can actually read right here, and you can see how it's naturally putting in the word brain work. It actually put brains work in there, so we can just go out and fix those, because brain work is really not it's a very interesting word, and it's also not very popular on the web, right? So it doesn't, in this particular case, might not know what to write about. Thank you for joining us to watch the best exact brain work review. I wanted to let you know that the names of the training courses are technically misspelled. Interesting. Okay, this one actually has brain work demo, and it stayed with brain work, so this would be a good one. So I'm going to go ahead and copy to description, put our cursor there. I like that one, and we'll keep coming through here, and then I'll push return. Thanks for watching my AI content software demo. So we want to get some AI content related in there as well. So that's super cool. All you have to do is just push copy to the description. And then you can keep going and add some more if you want. You can also have it rerun for you, right? And so forth. So we're going to leave right there, but we've got some really healthy couple paragraphs right there that help us with our content. And then we can move on to the next section, which is the hashtag suggestion. Okay. So what I did was I already put in AI content, and it's important that you want to put this together as a hashtag, right? You don't want to search for AI space content. You want to search for AI content like that hashtag, right? We push search and look at all these. Now what I believe the software is doing, according to its tutorials, is that it's actually in real time going out there and finding what are the most popular hashtags right now on YouTube for AI content, right? AI content obviously it's really related to affiliate marketing, content creation, AI content, AI. So what we can do is we can come over here and just click on it if we want to add it, 2, 3, 4, and maybe I'll find another one. Maybe AppSumo. It was on AppSumo at the time. It's no longer available, so I'm going to go ahead and update this. Artificial intelligence, Jasper. So it's coming up with some really good one. AI content writer. I like that one. So we'll put that one in. So look, we've got some nice hashtags. I recommend going with 6, probably no more than 6, because you don't want to stuff it as well. And then we can go down to the next tool. So see how easy this is. You would have to open up hashtag finder in a tab over here. You'd have to open up Jasper or any of your other tool that you would maybe go out and use to write your description. You'd have to go and open that up as well. These other features up here, video series and key moments, you wouldn't even have those. You just have to manually do those every time, right? So I hope you're seeing the value of this tool, that it's going to be a complete time saver. Now we're going to go over to keyword suggestion. So this is where we're going to go over here. I'm going to say brain work, and I'm just going to type brain work search. And we've got brain work review, brain work tutorial. And how this works is you just put your cursor in right here, and it is going to go from the popular down, and we're just going to keep adding these as we go down. We know it's related to AppSumo, and it's going to give you all the popular keywords that people are using in their videos that make brainwork videos. And you're going to have all those that are going to come through right there. And that's going to be your keywords that you can use, right? And then you can also copy these keywords and place them in your keywords down here. I have a couple that I can add, so I'm just going to add a couple right here. We'll just add those real quick. I'll push copy, and we'll come in, and you can actually just add them in real quick like that. Oops. On the keyword suggestion right here, I thought that it was supposed to come with hashtags built in. Maybe that's a setting. I'll have to go and look at the settings and then also ask Daniel. Because I mean, it would look good just doing this maybe in the description, but you're going to want the commas, right? You're going to want the commas, but really you can even come in here and just add the commas like that. And then you would grab them, come in here and then add them, right? But we'll look into that section right there because I believe that it's supposed to offer those as a it's supposed to offer those with a comma already. So then let's move on to canned text. So this is really, really cool because I have we're going to go video links right here. So I have one right here, copy, and I'm just going to say my top tools list. And then I have this link right here that I put in most of my videos, right? Create new canned text, done. And then we can come back over here to my best SEO optimization and keyword tool right here. We can create a new one. Whoops. Okay, we just put this in right over here. Put my link in right there. Create. And then maybe another one, my new course, promoting that, and put in the link over here as well, and then push, boom. Okay. So then now what you would do is you just bring your cursor down here, and then with your links right here, what I like to do is we would come back up here and actually we would put them up here like this, and then you just click on them, boom, and look, it's going to be up there. Oh, okay, I did that wrong, guys. So what we want to do is that's the title. So we'll just go back and do the first one. So you have the LearnWire's top tools list. And oh, okay, so here we go, guys. So what you're going to do is this is going to be, you can do it in any number of ways you want, but LearnWire I'm just going to say LearnWire recommends. I'll just call it that. And then what we can do is you actually just grab everything that you want in this one and put it in right here, and boom, done. Okay. So then now when we come up to the top, all we have to do is remove that and go over to our canned text, and we have the LearnWire recommends, and we're going to put it right up at the top and look at how all the links are there, right? You don't have to go to another video and copy and paste it, or open up your notepad, or open up your Google Notes and do this every single time. Now, yes, there is a feature where you can actually add this where it automatically shows up on all your videos, but this will allow you to really create a lot of customization with all the different types of videos that you create on your channel, so that you can come over here and just add different links, right? So you can have different links for different types of videos and different series. So that's super cool. And then finally, you can go into the emoji picker over here, and we can just add one right here. Super cool stuff. I'm going to go ahead and add another one. And those are the popular ones. And then they have just everything that you can think of right here. We can say video, and there's going to be stuff that's related to video. Let's come right here and add a video right there, and so forth. So it has all the emojis that are available, they actually have in here. And then something about WeChat they have as well. So so that is going to be the tools over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tools available right here inside of this. And then there's 2 more tools I have to show you guys about. So stay tuned, because these 2 tools are extremely unique and definitely make it worth it getting this product. So now what you can do is copy this entire thing, copy, right? So you would copy this, and then you would come over into your description over here, right? And you could paste right here. And now you have your entire, everything that was in that tool is now inside of here, right? Now inside of there. And then you can update your, you can just push save and update your description. Okay, so that's how you use that part of the tool. Now let's go look at those other 2 tools. Okay, so we open up this video right here. You can see the video right here. Now there's a couple cool things you can do. So at any point you want to go to a new point in the video, let's say that you are making a blog post. You want to repurpose this, right? So this is where these 2 tools come in handy. So at 42 seconds, if I push this little button right here, it also is an extension and gives you these tools right here inside of the tool right here. You're going to click this button right here, boom. And then look, it's going to be a screenshot It's going to be a nice screenshot with without the markings underneath, the YouTube things underneath. It just takes a nice screenshot of the screen. You can copy that and you can just title it. It actually tells you exactly where it was at. So at this, it was at 42 seconds in, so it's 0:42. Okay, so it's actually tells you exactly where it was at in the video. We go somewhere else in the video right here, and we push the button again. Okay. And then we open that up, and this one is at 12 minutes and 32 seconds. So then now look, watch, it's labeled 12:32, right? And then you have this screenshot right here. And then what can you do with this? Well, you can actually, when you're turning this content into a blog post, of course you can spend about 30 minutes going through it, editing, and then you can add these images inside of there in your blog post, which is super cool. And we'll go and test that out. So finally, let me just push return. I already pre-did this, but it takes about maybe 3 minutes on this a little bit, to create the transcription. So this actually will transcribe the video for you. We can come through here and see this little note button right here. You click it, and then it'll download the actual transcription. But since it already did it, it'll start spinning, and it'll take a minute to go and actually learn the video. But we already have that open, right? And so what you'll do is you'll open it up. You'll just say right click, and you'll say open with, and you'll open it with Notepad. Open. Okay. So then you get this. And then what I'll do is go format Word Wrap. We're already in Word Wrap. Okay. And then what you would do is, of course, you're just going to go and I would start just cutting this off at certain points. Obviously, you're going to want to spend a little bit of time in here editing this, but I just want to show you real fast what this could look like and how you could actually use this tool. And I recommend doing this in side of the Notepad, because it's just going to be easier. It's going to be faster. And I know that there's people that are doing this method that are actually using their videos to create blog posts, and they rank. And I have actual proof that my content has ranked in the top. I actually have one that's ranked #1 for the keyword that I was going for on Google, and I simply just pasted my transcript. And what I'm using right now for this is Descript. But that I have to pay $15 to $30 per month for that software. This would come at a lifetime deal, and you would get access to this, right? You'd have access to this tool. So what do? You copy that, and then we'll just come over into Microsoft Word, and we'll paste that in. Okay, so then we've got, don't need that anymore. We've got all this content right here, right? So we have 4,440 words in here. Now what we can do is, obviously you're going to want to spend 30 minutes cleaning this up. It's got some issues right here. You're just going to go through and you're going to fix all. You can put this in Grammarly as well and do it even faster. So we're going to come through here. But here's what I was talking about. So like at 42 seconds in, we can push return, and then we can go insert images from this device, and we're going to go and add that image right here that we had right here. We're going to insert the image, right? And then we're going to come down at like 12 minutes, wherever that was. We're going to find where that was, and then we're going to go insert image, and maybe insert the other one as well. Okay. So then now you have this blog post that actually has images that are relevant to the actual text, which is just going to be super helpful, especially when you're doing how-to or tutorials. It's going to be extremely valuable to be able to add these images in quickly. So those are the tools that you get with this PCS TubeGrowth. Okay. So if you guys are interested, like I said, this is a normal price of $47.77 per month, or $477 per year. But right now, from April 18th to April 21st, this Thursday, you guys have access to be able to pick this up for a one-time fee of $599, never have to pay again. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. And if you did, hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe to LearnWire, where I come out with reviews on different products and softwares that you can use in your business. And I also do tutorials and so forth. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Go click that link if you are into YouTube, if you're interested in getting this. Again, this is an exclusive offer just for my audience on LearnWire. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you next time.